The tree ran through the grass. Oh dear, it's only a log. It's a big log. Look ahead, I see a bigger log. The tree ran through the bigger log. I see someone. I see someone. I see someone green. The tree ran to the log. It's a dragon. It's a little dragon. It's a little green dragon. I'm happy, happy, happy. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Hello, Miss Dragon. What's your name? Mary Dragon. My name is Curie. Curie what? Curie Dragon, of course. That's a nice name. These are my friend. This is Dangso Dragonfly, and this is not Dragonfly. How did you do? We are very happy to meet you. We certainly are. We have searched and searched and searched for you. Why did you search and search and search for me? Curie Dragon was lonely. Knew there are two dragonflies. Knew there are two green dragons.